guys, here are top 7 makeup trends that you should follow in 2024. The first is a pop of color. I love adding a pop of color in the form of an eyeshadow, especially if you're wearing something that's monochrome. Adding a pop of color definitely makes a lot of difference to your entire look. Next is loads of blush. Now you can use a lip and cheek tint for the same. Lip and cheek tints are highly pigmented and at the same point of time they make you look cute and give I am cool vibes for real. Glossy lips. I love lip glosses. I'm a gloss girl for life. I feel like glossy lips do add a lot to your makeup. They make it look sort of fresh somehow. I really like this trend. Doyen makeup. Now, this is a Korean trend that has been in and out for a while now. It is a very cutesy trend and it basically refers to you adding blush in this particular technique as mentioned here. Red lips. Now, red lips are back, you all. I love red lips, especially if you're wearing something that's very monochrome and monotonous. Wearing a red lip adds a lot to it. I feel like some people do think that it's bold, but just start wearing red lips and you will see the difference. Natural base. Now earlier we used to wear a lot of foundation, but now this year we're going to be focusing more on skin tints and BB creams instead of wearing a foundation. And personally, I love that for me and for all of you. Wearing a light coverage and skin like coverage is necessary for us to feel happy and confident in our natural skin, just so that it gives a skin like finish. I love this trend and do let me know if you need a video on skin tints recommendation. Next is a pop of blue. I love this. Pop of blue could be in terms of eyeliner or outfit. And yes, subscribe for more.